Welcome to Vlogmas day 17. What? It's like the final stretch of Vlogmas, which is kind of crazy. Christmas is like coming. Today I've had a pretty productive morning. I've been cleaning the house. I put up some lights in the little garland, which I should have done weeks ago, but I finally got around to doing it today. I also put up this little Christmas tree that I had in the garage. This is like a little tree that I got like probably 5 years ago. I didn't realize how short 6 feet was for like a Christmas tree, so it was really short. So this is the little tree here, and I have an idea. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I'll tell you guys in a second my idea for making this tree a little taller. By the way, I'm wearing these pajamas. I'll show you in the mirror so you guys can see the full picture. These are the ones I got from Primark, and basically they're just like holiday pajamas. I really love them. They're really soft and comfy. I washed them yesterday and so I'm wearing them now, and they feel amazing, especially the pants. The material of the pants is just to die for. So yeah, so that's what I'm wearing, feeling kind of festive. I'll show you guys an up close of the little garland as well, I guess, while I'm here. Also, I put on this little fireplace from YouTube. You can just search like 7 hours of fireplace and you get all these different options. This one does have music, but I have the music off. Actually, I was really just playing music from YouTube on here with my Google. Oh my gosh, it heard me. So that's what I was doing earlier to help like put me in the zone. So you see how short this tree is next to me? Like, it's so short. Anyways, I'm really excited low-key today because I ordered a couple lenses, and I don't know if you guys know this, but I get super geeked out about like cameras, lenses, all that stuff. I'm really kind of into it, so I am impatiently waiting for FedEx to drop off those lenses. I couldn't even sleep last night, you guys. Like, I was tracking the lenses all night long. I could not sleep. Anyways, lens number 1 has arrived. I don't know which one this is, so I am excited to open it up and be surprised. So this is the lens. This is actually for my big camera, the one I do like makeup videos with. It's a really nice lens. The lens that I use right now on that camera is a 50mm lens. It doesn't move. This one, it will move from 24 to 70. That's basically to zoom in and out. This is what the lens looks like. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start filming my Charlotte Tilbury makeup, which was yesterday's vlog. Okay, so we're about to switch this out. We're gonna take this one out. So it's been a few hours. Actually, it's 12:41, so it's been about a solid hour since you haven't seen me. But I did film my Charlotte Tilbury video, which you guys probably saw yesterday. If you haven't seen it, definitely go check it out so you guys can hear my thoughts on everything I picked up during the Sephora sale, as well as other products that I've already owned from Charlotte Tilbury, which you probably already know my thoughts on those. But anyways, I did get my other package while I was filming, and I was so tempted to stop and show you guys before I continued the video. Anyways, let us open this up together and you guys will see what it looks like on this camera. All right, so let us open this up. This is also from BH Photo, in case you were wondering. And you want to know something funny? I actually ordered this with priority shipping so that it would arrive first on Tuesday, which is today. And it's funny because I ordered the other one with regular shipping because I felt like I didn't really want it as quickly as I wanted this one, because this is for Vlogmas, you know, the vlogs. And funny enough, the other one came first. As you noticed this morning, the other one came before this, which is crazy because the whole point was for this to arrive quickly, and I paid extra money for it, and it arrived on the same day as the other one. What a fail. I'm laughing, but it's really not funny. Anyways, let us open this up. Woohoo. This is our little baby here from Sony. And let me open it up to show you guys. Ooh, I'm gonna switch it off. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna switch this lens to this one in 3, 2. So we made the switch. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom it out so you guys can see. Whoa, look how much is in this shot, which is crazy and perfect for vlogging. So this is me holding the camera at the same distance I always hold it at, and you can just see so much more. I don't have to extend my arm all the way out. This is me extending my arm all the way out. You can see it's everything is in this shot, which is just so cool. I love it. This is perfect for when you're outside and you want to capture like everything in the scene, you know, like all the everything, the ambiance, and it's just gonna be so amazing. I'm just so hyped, that girl. I am so excited. I need to go clean up my desk though, and I also need to figure out what we're doing for dinner. I think I'm gonna stop at the supermarket and pick some things up. I forgot to put the meat out. I actually wanted to make the Tik Tok salmon recipe. It's like a salmon bowl, but I forgot to put out the salmon, and now it's like way too late. So I went to my good old friend Google, and I found out that you can make frozen salmon in the air fryer. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick these things up from the supermarket. I think I have the salmon. I just need some other ingredients so we can make this little Tik Tok bowl. I switched into these sweats. These are also from Primark, and they're like a light gray color. Really love them. That is what I'm gonna wear today to go out. Just gonna throw on some Uggs and a jacket and we'll be good. Actually, you guys, earlier I was saying that I wanted to try something with the tree, and basically I wanted to try putting the tree in a basket and seeing if I could raise it up. Let's try to see if it works. Clearly basket. Okay, this is, I'm gonna turn this upside down for now. Kind of the idea. It didn't work because the basket's so small, but I have a ton of other baskets in the back, so I'm gonna try a different one when I get back from the supermarket. This height is definitely a lot better than the actual height of the tree, so we're gonna try to make this work, y'all. So we're in the car. I'm about to head to the supermarket, and it is bright outside, but don't let that brightness fool you because it's not hot. Okay. It's actually not too bad temperature wise, but the look of the sun is very deceiving. Anyways, I brought this with me because I am a little not hungry, but I just had coffee today. I think I only had coffee today. I think, yeah, I only had coffee, so I'm gonna just drink some Capri Sun. Well, this flavor is good. What's this called? Tropical Tide? This is a good flavor. Definitely quenched my thirst. So we just got to the supermarket. I'm gonna run in. Did I bring any bags? I feel like I didn't. If I see a good piece, I'll get it from here fresh, so that way I don't have to use the frozen version. So I am so here for this wide angle. You guys have no idea. Like, this is giving everything that it needs to give. Okay, let's go. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da. All right, y'all, so I got everything except the salmon. I didn't get salmon. I'm just gonna use what I have at home. Also, they didn't have seaweed, which was really surprising. So I'm gonna have to make the sauces taste really good, because I feel like the seaweed adds that nice texture and fishy flavor, and without the seaweed I don't have that. Also, I got one avocado, but I don't know if it's good. So we're in for a lot of surprises, basically is what it is. I almost want to ask Johnny to get seaweed near his job because he has a Whole Foods close to his job, so maybe he can get seaweed. I know Whole Foods has seaweed, but this supermarket does not. All right, y'all, let's head home. So this is our mini haul. I picked up some honey mustard for the salmon. I got some sriracha. This is for something else. I got some soy sauce with low sodium. Got some vegan mayo. I don't really like the taste of mayo, so I decided to try vegan to see if I like it better. Got an avocado. Hopefully it's good. I picked up some hot chocolate. I got French vanilla, white chocolate, and then I got hazelnut and then marshmallows to go with that. And I got some marshmallows for that as well, and whipped cream because I don't know, I was in the mood. And I also picked up some sugar cookies for the kids. I got some rice for the salmon meal, and then lastly I picked up some mac and cheese. Let's see. This is it here. So the recipe online says to cook it in the air fryer for 7 minutes so it can kind of defrost, and then from there season it and then cook it again for another like 7 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully it ends up tasting pretty good. I think it'll taste fine. I think it's gonna be fine. So I'm gonna go on my laptop and work on some emails and also respond to comments and also see if there's anything else I need to do, because I'm sure there is. There's always something to do. There's always something, you know. Let me call Johnny. Oh my gosh, I'm having a brain fart type of day.
Hey, hello.
Super random, but I'm trying this TikTok recipe and I have everything, but ShopRite didn't have seaweed. Do you think you can get some from Whole Foods?
Probably, yeah. I just have a what's it called, meeting.
Oh, you do? Okay. When does it end?
What's it called? I think it's an hour. It's from 2:45, I think, which I gotta go over now.
3:45?
Okay.
Yeah. So I ordered this coffee table back in July. I ordered from West Elm and it was supposed to come in September. It never came. It was supposed to come in August, actually. It never came. Then they switched to September, October, November. We're in December and I was getting a little annoyed. Well, a lot annoyed, because I'm like, what's going on? So finally I got a call, well, an email to arrange for delivery, and I was so excited. So coffee table is coming. Wait for it. Tomorrow. It's coming tomorrow. I cannot believe it's finally here. I was actually looking for coffee table decor last week and I told myself I'm not gonna get it because I'm just gonna frustrate myself even more if it's not even here yet. But now it's coming and I'm like, oh. So I found this basket which should definitely work. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch it up. I'm gonna have to fluff this tree a lot more because, girl, look at this fluff job I did. Horrible. Just D-. Lift the tree up. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Not the leg fell off. Where is the leg? Where is the other leg? Oh. Is it under here? Girl, this is a bad idea. Do not do this at home. This is up there on the list of worst ideas I ever had. I need to figure out a way so that it does not fall out of this basket, because clearly it's not the best structure. So we need to figure that out. Hilarious. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Nice and tall, but she definitely needs something. It's definitely the right height, but it needs something more sturdy than what it's currently on. Also, whoa. So the salmon is cooked, so that's good. Everything else is gonna cook really quickly, so I'm not gonna do it and I'm not gonna do anything else until later once Johnny gets here, because there's gonna be nothing else to really cook. So we'll do that later. I'm going to look at my to-do list to just make sure I'm on task for the day, because I think I am, but I just want to double check. And I also need to decide what I'm doing tomorrow. I should have picked up a snack while I was at the grocery store, but I didn't. I know, I have a mango. Look how perfect this mango is. It is so perfect. The yellow, it's just so yellow. So I'm gonna go eat this and look at my to-do list, and then I'm gonna go get Clay. All right, so I'm at the bus stop waiting for Clay. He hasn't arrived yet, so we're just waiting. Usually I drive to the bus stop when it's cold, because, girl, I cannot stand out here in the cold. It'd be so cold. And the bus doesn't always come at the exact time. It might come like 10 minutes, you know, here and there. So standing outside for 1 minute is fine, but 10 minutes or more, I'm gonna look through any reels that I wanted to create, like recreate basically. I feel like this is my first break of the day where I'm just kind of like doing nothing, because all day I have been on go. Ooh, Clay's bus is here. Let me step outside the car so he can see me. Although I be here every day, he still act like he don't know where I am. Actually, let me see what he does today. Let me see if he's gonna walk to the car. Hey.
Hey.
You wanna say hi to the vlog, Clay?
Hey.
How was school?
Good.
Good. All right.
What I drill.
What's that?
Oh, it's behind.
I'm watching Tiff Benson's new perfume video. This is me right now, y'all. I am a little cold. I don't know why. It's not even, I guess the temperature probably dropped, so it's a little colder in here. But I have a little blanket on. Like, maybe I should go put on my long sleeve pajama top that I was wearing earlier. So I'm back in the kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and crush the salmon. Basically, you want to crush it into like a tuna fish type of consistency. Okay, microwave, I hear you. I did take the skin off the back also. We don't eat fish skin. I know some people eat it, but I personally do not like the taste of it. It's like I don't like the texture. I'm gonna add some honey and, well, honey mustard and soy sauce to this and mix that up. So the recipe is done. I'm just waiting for Johnny now. I'm gonna close the window because I think it's gonna make it taste really good. Bring all the flavors together. I feel like it's like a sushi roll, low-key. I started editing Vlogmas 16, which was yesterday's vlog, and that's pretty much all that is pretty much all I'm doing right now. I just think this will look really cute. So Johnny got home. He actually got these big packs. So he got this size. I didn't realize how big they were when he showed me them, but that's fine. We're just gonna break it up, and I'm gonna have my meal. I just put it in a little bowl, and then I also am gonna pour myself some Moscato. I'm gonna say is, you need to try this. Definitely give this a try. It's so good. I'm about to work on a quick thumbnail. I'm about to work on a thumbnail for tonight's vlog and the description box. I think that is pretty much it for today's vlog. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.